right at L1. There it is, breathe. Are you good?
Perfect.
Felt the move?
I like it when it feels it.
So we'll do things where we come in and approach a couple different ways to help stimulate those areas of the spine, the spinal cord, the nerve roots that come out from there. We're focused right now into the lower back, the lumbar spine, the sacrum, and the pelvis are the big ones. You doing okay?
Perfect. Thank
Is that too much?
No, it feels great.
That's a great thing about the docs here. You hear them always checking in with people, like, how you doing through this? And then one of the things, if you're worried about makeup, eyelashes, all the above, just ask them to lower the headpiece down.
Oh, that's a great idea, yeah.
Just not makeup wipes as well.
Yeah, you don't want to lose any eyelashes on there.
Come on, these are mine.
They're real.
Mine are too.
Yeah, these are all mine.
I thought of coming in for Halloween with those on.
Oh, stop it. I'll put them on you.
Audrey would get a good kick out of it.
That would be pretty amazing.
That would be hilarious. I think they'd be beautiful on you.
What?
I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. This might be part of the best part. Oh.
So now I'm going to get into the SI joint. You okay?
Yep. Oh, this is so good. Good and tough.
Like a good hurt.
Yeah.
It hurts, but it feels so good.
Yeah. Exactly. It hurts, but it feels so good. Exactly. I think everybody says about when they get their glutes rubbed.
Well, we hold tension in our rear edge.
Oh my gosh, it's the most tender spot for me with a bigger booty. It's so tender.